An international research team has now managed to describe the complete genome of the Prussian carp for the first time. This also provides a much better understanding of its peculiar reproductive method. The study, led by Dunja Lamatsch from the Research Department for Limnology of the University of Innsbruck, Austria, was published in the journal Nature Communications. However, while goldfish and crucian carp usually reproduce sexually, the Prussian carp has a major evolutionary advantage. Females can save the time-consuming search for a mate. Unisexual, or purely female reproduction enables rapid colonization of new habitats and offers invasive species a major advantage over their original competitors, explains Dunja Lamatsch from the Research Department for Limnology of the University of Innsbruck, based in Mondsee, Austria. Her research focuses on studying the mechanisms of unisexual reproduction in aquatic organisms. In a study initiated by Lamatsch, she and an international team of researchers were able to completely decode the genome of the Prussian carp. As a result, the mechanism behind its unisexual reproduction can now be better understood. Hybridity leads to new species. The total heritable information of an organism, the genome, is divided into different sets of chromosomes. Animals that reproduce sexually usually have a double, diploid, set of chromosomes. For reproduction, the chromosomes of females and males are divided into germ cells, meiosis, and only one single, haploid, set of chromosomes is passed on at a time. The fusion of a haploid egg and a haploid sperm finally restores a diploid organism. However, accidents during meiosis or crossbreeding of related species repeatedly result in organisms that have more than two sets of chromosomes, polyploid. That could be one of the triggers of unisexual reproduction, Lamatsch explains. In species that reproduce parthenogenetically, meiosis fails, and fusion of gametes is no longer necessary. In cooperation with research groups from the Leibniz Institute of Freshwater Ecology and Inland Fisheries in Berlin, IGB, and the University of Würzburg, it was possible to dissect the genome. This is the first time that the entire genetic information of a hexaploid animal has been described, and all 6 sets of chromosomes have been analyzed. The genome of the Prussian carp consists of a total of 150 chromosomes, more than 3 times as many as the human genome. The analyses shed light on how these 6 sets of chromosomes can coexist and work together. The identification of all 150 chromosomes makes it possible for the first time to understand the entire genome structure of the Prussian carp as well as its complicated evolutionary history. This opens up many more interesting research questions around the invasive fish. Heiner Kuhl, Kong Du, Manfred Schartel, Lucas Klaus, Matthias Stock, Dunja K. Lamatsch. University of Innsbruck. 2022, July 19. Invasive fish. Sperm hijacking as success strategy. Researchers decode the unusual genome of the Prussian carp. https://ift. dur 7yhu. Access July 19, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.